Welcome to the EVS class. We are discussing about our human body. In our human body, we just discussed about some organs. We group them as sense organs. Right. In this class, we are going to know some of the details about one of our sense organs, that is eyes. Right. Here we have some interesting points about eyes, our eyes, right? Here the first one is black and white. If we observe, we have our eyes in color. We just see black and white. Somebody have maybe blue, but most of the people have their eyes in color black and white, right? Of course, we have black and white eyes, but we can see the world. I mean, we can see a number of colors with the black and white eyes, right? Here, colors, so many colors. Not only some colors, just we can see different combinations of colors, right? For example, if there is two colors, they are same, like they both are white in color, but we can identify that something is different with each other, right? We can notice that even the two colors are looks like same, but we can identify the difference between them, right? Like this, we can observe, we can notice that there are so many colors, right? There are combinations of colors. And the next point is, right here, we see the beauty of the nature. For example, when we go to a garden, we see different colors. We see different butterflies. We see birds. Sometimes when it rains, we see rainbow, right? We see sunrise. Have you ever experienced sunrise at the sea? Right? That was very pleasant. Here, when we see or when we observe all these beauties of nature, we feel happy, we feel some enthusiastic, right? So here, with only the eyes, we can see, we can enjoy, we can perceive the beauty of the nature, right? And here one more point is, that is, if let us think, if we don't have the eyes, what will happen? For example, you just try at your home that you just close your eyes and do your daily activities, like taking food, right? Taking your bath and walking from one place to another place, right? You just imagine. I think we don't do. We can't even move 4 or 5 feet, right? We just hit walls or some things, right? So it is very difficult to live without eyes, right? So from this, we have to observe, we have to know that our eyes are very precious to us, right? Without eyes, we can't live. It is very difficult. We may live, but it may be some difficult, right? So that here we have to protect our eyes, right? How to protect our eyes? What the things we do with the eyes? Sometimes we damage our eyes, like while rubbing our eyes with our hands, right? We just avoid them, right? Here some of the points we have, how to protect our eyes, right? Here, rubbing eyes, we have to avoid this. When some things we notice that we are having some things in our eyes, we don't need to rub. We just clean our eyes with the cold water, right? And next, one more thing, looking directly at sun. It is also somewhat danger to your eyes. Looking directly at sun, not only sun, but also some focus lights, right? They have very intensity, right? We don't need to look at them. So we have to avoid this. And this is the most dangerous problem, and most of us facing this. Watching TV and playing games on mobile for a long period, right? We don't even maintain distance at TV and also mobile. So when we watch at the time, we have to be conscious that we are watching TV. We have to maintain some distance to TV, minimum 2.5 feet, like, right? And we have to give a gap. I mean, we have to take rest. We just don't prefer to watch for a long period, right? Right. And the next point is, yes, we have already discussed here, cleaning with water, right? Yeah, we daily, when we wake up, we just clean with the water our eyes, right? The next point is watching greeny gardens. Not only gardens, but sometimes we have to see the nature. We have to see the nature. When we see some beautiful or some colorful things around us, we feel happy. Then our eyes feel relaxed. Yes, we feel our eyes get relaxed. Then at the time they got relaxed, and here we feel happy, right? And next, the point is giving rest. This also we have discussed here. Watching TV, not only TV, when we look some things constantly, we feel pain, right? So we have to give rest to our eyes. Next, taking good food. Here we have to eat some vegetables, green leaves, eggs, to get vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to our eyes, to improve our eyesight, right? Somebody like me, we just call it a sight, right? We can't see the things which are very very long to us. Somebody can notice, maybe it may be a very long distance, but they can notice, they identify. But some of us, we can't notice that they are very clumsy. We can't see, right? So to avoid this, we have to take protection to save, to have our eyes for a long time. So we have to take some cautions to take care of our eyes, right? So that's it for now. In the next class, we discuss about the next organ. I mean, some of the sense organs. Okay, thanks for watching.